Ah, my baby, you are too sweet. You too finish work.
That's why I'm your baby now.
Hi.
Baby, I don't know. Please, can you help me with some money to use for transport, please?
I understand, my love. But you know how things be for me now. For now, I never really to get money like that for transport.
I understand. Okay, no problem now. Let me start going. Babe, I'm going now.
Yeah, no problem, my baby.
Alright, baby.
You know it's all love.
Yes, so.
Why haven't you been picking your calls ever since I told you I was pregnant for you?
Wait, babe. You be not tell me say you dey come house today.
I don't understand. Why need to tell you? I've been calling you. Why haven't you been picking up your calls?
I don't understand you. Not me give you belle. I'm not responsible for your pregnancy.
Are you serious right now?
Not me give you belle now. Not me give you belle. You be like say you go find who give you belle.
You are trying to deny this pregnancy, Abi?
Yes,
okay.
I dey deny. I'm nothing but
I'll report you to my father.
Me and you do something. Me and you enjoy am. Only you go carry belle. Why me sef no carry the belle now? One just poor person life.
This man!
Daddy.
Angela, why your face like this?
Do you know that stupid boy that knows he denied this pregnancy? Do you know that?
Nozy deny your pregnancy?
He denied the pregnancy and he even said there is nothing you can do about it.
Angela, do you know what? Just go back to the kitchen. I will handle Nozy myself.
Okay, Daddy.
The earlier you learn to be who you are, the better it will be for you.
Chai! Chai!
Then Tiagasa.
Who come dey always slap me for dream now? Why be say every time when I sleep so slap? Who come be this person wey dey always slap me for dream? Omo, no be small thing dey happen to me lately o. You know that my babe now. Omo, ever since I deny that belle, I no dey sleep well for night. Once I just sleep like this, every time for dream, na so person go dey slap me. People will dey slap me, the person will dey slap me up and down. My face don red finish.
Now why your face swell up like this?
I no don understand. Yes o.
You see this thing, na spiritual matter, and we go handle am spiritually. No worry. Just wait for me, I dey come.
Man, know thyself. You don't know yourself.
Thespian, you see this stick? If you want sleep for night, you hold am, use am sleep. Na spiritual stick. When dem come to slap you, you use am wipe them. Yes. Hold am well.
No be juju be that.
Spiritual stick be that. No worry yourself.
If Ahmed Bola Tinubu fails, hold me responsible.
Okay.
We just pray.
This evening you will die.
Hey! Rich watch and cup of tea. Then Tiagasa.
Wetin dey happen na? Who come dey always slap me for my dream? Pastor, my face don red finish. I'm tired.
Just because you broke up with her?
Exactly.
Kneel down, let me pray for you.
Okay, sir.
Chai!
Nozy, who slapped me?
No be me o.
Nozy, stand up, call they go. Stand up, call they go.
Pastor.
Nozy, I will unleash the anger of God on you. Call they go!
Dissolve! You think say they wise? Something way bad for this issue.